Before beginning in this video, first to ensure that you can follow my Instagram account. I have only 914 followers in my Instagram account. There's a lot of confusion around remembering tenses. At yesterday, I thought about a phenomenal idea. That phenomenal idea I can execute in this video. And it solidifies the concept of tenses in your mind forever. So there are 12 tenses in English grammar. First of all, we see what are tenses. Tenses is defined as form of verb which indicate the time and state of action or event. Tense has three broad categories. They are past, present and future. Basically, tense is equal to the time. There are four types of actions. So first is simple or indefinite. Both are same. So this is a universal statement about the activity. For example, I dance, he runs, she sings. You guys know this, 85% of English is spoken using simple or indefinite tense. Second type of action is continuous or progressive. It means the action is still going on. For example, I am teaching you tenses. Third type of action is perfect. Perfect means something that is complete. The way perfect actual means something that is started in the past and it going on to get over at some point. Next one is perfect continuous tense. There is a process then some continuing action of the past will be probably get over at the some point either now or in the future. Now we are capable to see English grammar all 12 tenses one by one. We start our this concept with present simple tense, so it used for general statements, habits and facts. Next one is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to talk about action or that are happening at the present moment. Impeccable tip for present continuous tense. Whenever you see ing, it's a continuous tense. So next one is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense used to describe action or event that started in the past and have consequences in the present. For example, she has lost her chocolates. Next one is present perfect continuous tense. It used to describe for action or situation that started in the past or is still going on in the present and maybe continue in the future also. Next one is past indefinite tense. It used for completed action in past. Now we see past continuous tense used for action that were progress at the specific moment in past. One is past perfect tense used for action that occurs before another action in the past. Example, I had already finished my work when he called. Next one is past perfect continuous tense. It used to describe ongoing, repeated or continuous action that started in past and continue up to until another point of or event in the past. Example, she had been running for an hour when she got tired. Structure of past perfect continuous tense. Subject plus had been plus verb ing. Next one is simple future tense. Is used to describe those event or action who will be happen in the future. For example, they will be finish their work next week. I think. Third example is I think school will be open tomorrow. Structure of future simple tense as subject plus will or shall plus base form of verb. The way it's also used for future predictions. Example, I will be in Bangalore tomorrow. Next one is future continuous tense is used for action that will be progress at the specific point in the future. For example, they will be living in Paris next year. Next one is future perfect tense is used for action that will be completed in a specific point in the future. For example, I will be graduated by next year. See, one is future perfect continuous tense used for action that will be continue up in a specific point in the future. Example, I will have been study science for 4 years by next year. Try to recognize these sentences. First is, did you like grumpy pupils? Her behavior is dismissive for others. It's all done. I hope you enjoyed this video. My phenomenal idea is understand tenses with examples. Example for present indefinite tense. I go to school. She eats breakfast at 8 a.m. Example for simple past tense. I visited Paris last summer. You cooked a delicious meal.